In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size for page titles in Shopify. This is a great skill to enhance the visual appeal of your store and ensure that your page titles grab the attention they deserve. Customizing the typography can really make your store stand out and improve user experience. Let's dive into the steps and see how you can easily modify the font size for your page titles within your Shopify store. To begin, head over to the site editor in your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, focus on the left panel, where you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the theme settings. The theme settings are essentially your toolkit for making style changes to your store's interface, allowing you to adjust various elements to match your desired aesthetic. With the theme settings open, you'll find an option labeled Typography. Click on this to delve into the typography settings. Here is where you can change the scaling of your header font size. This step is crucial, as the header font size is responsible for how large or small your page titles appear on your storefront. A well-sized page title can greatly contribute to the readability and overall look of your site, helping to guide your customers seamlessly through different sections. It's important to be aware that when you adjust the header font size, it will affect all header fonts across your store. This means that any changes you make here will be uniformly applied to all page titles, creating consistency in your store's presentation. Consistency can be key in maintaining a professional and cohesive look, which is vital for both aesthetic appeal and user experience. Also, do keep in mind that your ability to customize this feature can depend on the specific theme you're using. Some themes offer more granular controls, while others might have limitations. It's always a good idea to explore your theme's capabilities and constraints so you can make the most out of its customization features. This knowledge will help you maximize the potential of your theme and allow you to tailor your store's appearance to best fit your brand's identity. And that wraps up our guide on how to change font size for page titles in Shopify. Remember, small tweaks like this can significantly impact the user experience, making your store more inviting and accessible. By adjusting your font sizes appropriately, you're taking one more step towards building a visually compelling and effective online shop. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!